Hey, Merry Christmas. I got myself an IGrinder, 6-inch IGrinder to go with my iSharpener, of course. Anyways, this is a 6-inch variable speed grinder from Crappy Tire or Canadian Tire. But we're gonna supercharge it, and I think it will come up soon. I bought a CBN wheel. And this is from Rob Cosman from robcosman.com, and about a jig that goes in line. It attaches to the base, and it has a nice thick and big tool rest compared to this crappy one that comes with it. And I also got myself a set of all the new, but they're Stanley chisels, a 4 set. Supposedly this is still made in England. Not sure about that, but we'll figure that out. We'll check if they're flat and sharpen them and see how good they are. Anyways, that's coming up. That's it. That's all I'm sharing with you. Merry Christmas. Ciao.